Too often, people give up on the idea of DWIs. The word on the street is, what's the use? You may as well just go and plead guilty. We don't think that way. Hi, my name is John Zarych. I'm the owner and chief attorney at the law offices of John Zarych. We have 4 offices to serve you in Atlantic and Cape May County. We have countless people who come to the casinos in Atlantic City and also to various shore towns who perhaps drink too much, get into trouble, and call us. We are very, very skilled. Over 30 years we've been handling those cases. I've defended thousands and thousands of DWIs. We've gotten extraordinary results in so many cases. There's a saying, when you go to trial, you never know what's going to happen. Many cases that the prosecutors think that they can't lose, they do lose. Many pieces of evidence that the prosecutors think they can use in a case turn out to be excluded by good defense work. There are many ways to attack a DWI ticket or summons. We've been successful in filing motions to suppress the stop or the search or the arrest of an individual, breathalyzer information, analysis of testing of the breathalyzer machine, and that breathalyzer is actually today called the Alcatest 7110. All 3 of the attorneys in our firm at present, John Zarych, me, Stephanie Zarych, and Brendan Scher, have certificates of training from Draeger because we personally were trained in the machine. We know that machine backward and forward, and we understand all the attacks that can be made on the machine, on the software, and on the testing and the results of that machine. And if that evidence is thrown out, the state has no basis on which to prosecute our client, and the finding is dismissal or not guilty. We love doing this work. We know that we're telling people the truth. We know that when we tell people that we're going to commit to them and not abandon them or not lay down on them, we have done it and are going to continue to do it now, next year, 10 years, 20 years from now. We don't give up. There are going to be people who are acquitted of DWIs every day of the week. We want you to be one of those people.